Now you have seen that we have calculated all of these values 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, only the one member is left. Okay, now you can either use joint B or joint C. Okay, now this is up to you. So I just use joint B. Okay, I just draw a joint B like that. Okay, this is my arbitrary axis. Okay, now this is your away from the joint. Our initial assumption FBC. Okay, this is we have to calculate it, and this value is FBE or EB, which is 5.78 that we have calculated positive. Okay, the same way is FAB. Okay, and the value of FAB minus 5.78 that I have told to you, 5.77 or 5.78 that I have told to you that always use the sign that we have calculated, and initial assumption should be away from the joint. Just remember two things. Okay, now see that. Now just remember, and there is another concept here. Okay, let's see that here. See that this is your 60 angle. Okay, and there your angle equal to 60 60 60 60. Okay, so this angle is not 360, it should be 30. Okay, and this angle should be equal to, I'm sorry, this angle also equal to 60. Let's see that again. See that 60 60 60, because the sum of the triangle, the sum of all the angle in a triangle equal to 180. So 60 60 60. Okay, this is your 60, and this whole equal to 190. So 180, I'm sorry, 180 minus 60, 120, and this is both are equal, so this is 60. So you just use another way. For example, I just say that if this is your line, and if it makes an angle in this direction, and this is the line. Okay, so this angle and this angle should be equal. Okay, this angle should be equal to this angle, this angle should be equal to this angle. I hope so that you have understand this point. Again, I have told to you that, for example, this is your 60, this is your 60, and this is also 60 because 180. And you see that this whole D equal to 180, 180 minus 60 equal to 20, and these both are same. Okay, so this is your 60 60. Okay, so this is your angle which is equal to your 60 degree, your 60 degree. One thing should be mind that always use the angle that makes with horizontal axis. Okay, don't be make an angle from this direction. Okay, just focus on this words that always make an angle with horizontal axis. It makes your calculation more easy. Okay, it doesn't make you make you in complexity. Okay, so again use the same technique, summation of all the fy equal to 0 or summation of all the fx is equal to 0. Okay, if you see here, if I use summation of f all summation of all fy equal to 0, so it goes here, it goes here, but we just need fbc, horizontal axis. So why we use a summation of fy equal to 0? So just quiet it and use the expression summation of f all the fx is equal to 0. Why? Because we only need this member forces. Okay, so summation of fx is equal to 0. Now see that fbc positive because this is acting on right side, plus now see that this FBE. Now this FBE make an angle horizontal fx is equal to f cos theta, that I have told to you that. So FBE cos 60. Now what about this? This goes here, so this will be minus. So FAB cos 60 equal to 0. Now just put the values. FBE equal to 5.78 cos 60 minus again FAB has a negative sign. Okay, don't be confused on these signs. Sin 60 equal to 0. So FBC plus 5.78 cos 60 minus plus F.5.77 or 78 cos 60. Okay, just put it in my calculator. 5 point. Now just shift clear 3 all. Okay, now your calculator will be reset. If you find difficulty while calculating the equations and through your calculator, I will explain to you in a manual way also. Okay, now what we have to calculate is 5.78 cos 60. Okay, multiply by 2 because these are the same way, or you can just plus, it is up to you. Now see that your FBC plus 5.775 kilonewton equal to 0. Now FBC should be equal to minus 5.77 kilonewton. It means that your direction is opposite to what you have calculated. So this is your FBC. Okay.